My name is John Elliott. Welcome to the course PCI DSS, Achieving and Maintaining Compliance. In this course, I bring together the theoretical knowledge of becoming PCI DSS compliant, along with the practical experience of how the standard really works.
And I'm Jacob Ansari. I'm a qualified security assessor, or QSA, with Shulman & Company, and I'm qualified to assess many of the PCI standards, including PCI DSS, PA DSS, and P2PE. I've been an assessor for 14 years and have been doing this since the predecessor standards to PCI DSS.
In this course, you will follow the journey to PCI DSS compliance, understand the key decisions you'll have to make, and then learn where people often take the wrong turn.
You'll also learn about the different approaches to compliance, from self-assessment to an in-depth on-site assessment from a QSA like me.
Maintaining PCI DSS compliance is hard, and you'll discover proven techniques to transition from a compliance program into business as usual.
Ideally, you'll already understand the basics of payment card processing and PCI DSS. By the end of this course, you'll have a great understanding of how to structure a PCI program, what can go wrong, and how to work with assessors.
We do hope you will join us to learn the theory and practice of becoming and staying compliant with PCI DSS, with the PCI DSS Achieving and Maintaining Compliance course here at Pluralsight.